When looking at mutual funds, you might see different share classes like O and B shares. Let's compare their structures. The main difference between these shares comes down to how and when you pay the sales charges to the fund company. Class A shares usually charge a fee upfront, while Class B shares often have higher ongoing costs and back-end exit fees. Because Class B shares have higher annual expenses, they can become significantly more expensive the longer you hold the investment. Investors often look at Class A shares when they plan to keep the money in the fund for a very long time. Class B shares are sometimes used by investors who want to avoid an upfront fee, though the higher yearly costs are a trade-off. The break-even point is critical. After about 7 to 10 years, the lower annual expense of a shares usually overcomes the initial load. Always read the fund prospectus to understand the exact fee structure, as every fund company sets their own rules for these classes. Knowing your share classes helps you keep more of your returns. Save this video to review before your next investment. Thanks for watching.